Hello and welcome to the Chimera Biofuels Algal Project. As the idea of climate change and fossil fuel emissions come into play, clean energy sources are brought to our attention. Fossil fuels is one of our main industries, and you must know at least one person who works in oil and gas. It's one of the leading causes of pollution. In 2022, fossil fuels produced 150 metric tons of CO2 emissions in Alberta. The discharge of wastewater from these factories contain volatile compounds that can seep into the ground or surface water, resulting in the contamination of animal habitats and toxic environments for humans to live near. These activities kill our planet. Sustainable and renewable energy is the biggest movement to try and veer away from non-renewable sources of energy. Biofuels is one of the biggest ongoing solutions, allowing for the idea of clean energy as well as renewable energy. With the idea of biofuels, we can start allowing these major countries to start straying away from harmful non-renewable energy sources and work towards a better future. Biofuels can be derived from corn, barley, wheat, but the land use and efficiency is a costly process. Alternatively, algae provides a robust feedstock of lipid-rich organisms that can easily be cultivated from many systems. Remediative algae are found in the toxic depth of tailings ponds, which spot the Albertan landscape and hold waste products from the oil industry. These tiny organisms convert residual wastes into biofuels and other bioproducts like textiles, rubbers, fibers, and more. Harnessing these algae transforms a waste product into usable goods that fuel a circular energy system by beginning with a waste product as the feedstock. Our team recognizes the power of remediative algae in designing a sustainable future, and we aim to radically enable others to contribute. Biofuels are the better sustainable option. They are degradable, non-toxic, and emit lower carbon dioxide than fossil fuels. Algal biofuel is estimated to hold a market share of about 500 billion by 2050 as one of the cleaner fuel alternatives. We want to bring the power of algae to other innovators with our technology, Algae AI. Using careful observation, we will characterize the growth of Chlorella vulgaris, a species of remediative algae found in the tailings ponds. Our comprehensive characterization of C. vulgaris blooms will train the machine learning models for automated and efficient growth of algae cultures. Multiple technologies can be incorporated into our project to maximize algae growth by monitoring algae conditions. This monitored data will be uploaded to a cloud to be compiled for our use in coding our AI bot settings. The algae bot will depend on several inferential data and photo observations to help narrate important information on algae growth. To enable this, we will have to design an experiment that is not only environmentally friendly, but cost efficient and collects both qualitative analyses through photo observations via a camera and an algal bioreactor connected to a computer device that helps collect our data. A motor will be connected to a pH probe, O2 sensor, and thermometer to detect environmental changes of the algae over time in an alkaline environment. Ideal conditions cultivating algal growth have been relatively high pH, around 8 to 9.5, and algae are observed to grow ideally in temperatures ranging from 5 to 40 degrees Celsius. The tank can be used initially to observe environments that allow most algal growth over time, demonstrated by O2 detected in the water. This can allow us to grow the algae and train the AI over time without having to check on it continuously. This process allows us to cultivate algae and process detailed findings on their growth to support curious minds. The algae can then be processed from these monitoring systems and using a second bioreactor undergo a transesterification process, producing biofuel, bringing algae to innovators without necessitating additional expertise for the care and cultivation of algae. No, knowledge sharing via open source algorithms and growth kits will create a robust community of advocates for circular energy, bringing algae to the forefront of sustainable solutions. Thank you.